All right, hello guys. Good morning. Welcome to our morning live trading session for today. So today is Monday, and this is the starting of the week. So we all want to, trade and make money from the forex market. All right. So as usual, go get your account ready. If you haven't funded your account, I would advise you go fund your account right now. If you fund your account using the banner where deposit with benefit is boldly written on, you'll be eligible to join my premium group where you'll be getting better signals every day. All right. So if you fund $10, you'll be eligible to join my premium group for 2 weeks. If you fund up to $15, you'll be eligible to join my premium group for 1 month. And if you fund up to $200, you'll be eligible to join my premium group for 1 month. And then you also have access to me, okay? A private session with me live, where I'll be able to teach you how to trade the forex market profitably. All right. Okay, so let's go to the chart. Let's see how we can devour the forex market today. Okay, so currently I'm on XAUUSD, and this is the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, I just finished analyzing the market just a while ago. All right, so all right. Okay, so let's go to the 15 minutes time frame right now. And as you can see, so we have a structure here. We have a structure, and the structure is the market is making a U-turn around this zone. Okay, though it's not yet confirmed because from this angle here, as you can see, the market, we have a low and the market hasn't broken the low. So until the market breaks the low, the market is still considered as an uptrend market. All right. So these are the point of interest I'm marking out right now. So as a scalper, what we want to, be focusing on is our point of interest, okay, where we can take a trade from and make good profit, okay. So if you took my signal, my NFP signal last Friday, congratulations, we made massive profit, okay. So the market really came down and we made good profit. So I see comments where some people were actually complaining that they lose money before the market, went up. So I always warn before, we place the trade. Okay. So trading the news event is very volatile. Okay. It's very volatile because the market movement is very fast. So the market can, just drop down, uh, create a very long spike. The market can even take you out if you don't have enough balance before going to the direction where you've predicted. So that is why you need to be very careful if you are trading the news event. Okay. So, and I remember saying if you don't have up to certain amount, don't participate. Okay. So I don't know why. If you want to participate on news events, you must have at least you must be willing to risk up to $10. Okay. You must be willing to risk up to $10, even with the smallest lot size. Because when the spike happens, the market can, would have enough balance to hold the trade. Okay, so when the trades start going your way, the drawdowns that is going to happen first before the trade start to go your way, it doesn't take you out. If you have enough balance, it's not going to take you out. Okay. All right. So currently on the 15-minute time frame of XAU USD, as you can see right here right now, the market is all right. So the market is approaching this area. Okay, so the market is already there, and you see, immediately the market got there. What happened? the market started making a down movement. Okay, so we should be on the lower time frame where we can actually get a sharp entry, a fast entry, right? So our session is scheduled for just 1 hour. We don't have, a lot of time to, um, wait for market or wait for maybe the 15 minutes time frame. So let's stay on the 5 minutes instead. Then when we get any opportunity, we take it on the 5 minutes time frame. We set our stop loss and take profit. Let's go back to the 15 minutes time frame. The analysis was made on the 15 minutes time frame. So let's go back to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so if we are going to take this trade from here, we definitely want to have our take profit and our stop loss. Yeah, it's very important. Okay, it's very important. We have just few seconds to the end of this current 15-minute candle. So let's wait for the candle to finish printing then. Okay, so we are not taking this trade right now because of this long rejection candle we are seeing on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so we got this long rejection candle, and I believe you know what rejection candle means. So anyway, rejection is happening, that means the market wants to turn around. Okay, market want to make a U-turn around that area. So that is, if the market was selling, then the market would, maybe want to buy. If the market is buying, the market would want to sell. So right now this market is selling, and when it got here, you see it made a very long uh, rejection candle, created this candle. So let's wait for another confirmation before we decide if we are going to sell. All right. But the 15 minutes time frame is telling us the market is going to sell. Um, and the 5 minutes time frame would always respect the higher time frames. Okay. So lower time frames would always respect the higher time frame. But let's still wait for another confirmation on the 5 minutes time frame before we place the trade. Okay. So XAUSD is very volatile, and we don't want to jump into the trade blindly, right? We don't want to jump into the trade blindly. So let's wait for proper confirmation. All right, so let's make analysis on another instrument instead of waiting or spending a whole lot of time on this particular one. Yeah, because right now we don't have a good confirmation to sell. Okay, we don't have a good confirmation to sell. You see, it's very important to always get the proper confirmation before you enter any trade. So as you can see, the market is still moving around this box. Okay, so the market is still within this zone. If this current candle closes above, then the possibility of the market, you know, going up is very high. Okay. So what I want here right now is I want this market to come below this level. Okay. Close with a body below this level. Then what I'm going to do is I'll just shift my stop loss to this point. Then move my entry here. Okay. All right, so let's make analysis on other instruments while we wait for XAUUSD to give us a proper confirmation. Okay, so we have BtcUSDT. Yeah, BtcUSDT. You see, I made this analysis, I think on Friday, and the market broke out, made a reversal around this zone. You see, and right now the market has continued to move to the upside. So this shows that BtcUSDT is not coming down anytime soon, because BTC has broken all the previous highs, right? So as you can see, this is the monthly time frame, and BTC USDT has broken all the highs. Okay, the highest high of BTC has been broken. All right. So you see, this is our resistance line from the monthly time frame, and as you can see, this is the line from. Okay, so this is the line on 1 hour time frame, and you see the market actually went above the line, came back to retest this area, and the market has continued to go up. All right. So let me delete all of the analysis that I've made earlier and make a new structural analysis. Yeah. We have this also. Okay, so right now we don't have a support or a resistance area to trade from. But let's go to the lower time frame. Since we already know that the market is moving to the upside, okay, so we might as well join the up movement, okay, the bullish movement. So as you can see on the 5 minutes time frame, as you can see on the 5 minutes time frame, we have this little, the market maneuvered around this, okay, so it hovered around the um, 5 minute fair value gap. You see, but I must warn you guys, BTC USDT is very volatile. Okay, BTC USDT is crazily volatile. So if you want to join me on this trade, you have to be careful. Okay, if you want to join me on this trade, you have to be careful. Please apply proper risk management. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us and you don't understand what risk management is, you not losing your balance. Yeah. So don't increase your lot size. Just use 0.01. Okay. So we have a new candle forming. Guys, buy BTC USDT. BTC USDT, buy now. Okay. All right. So we are making profit. Okay. So we have a trade running, guys, and we are already making profit. So I'm gonna tell you when to secure part of your profit. Okay. So this is our stop loss level, and the market is currently back to our entry point. So this level is where we want to go off the market. Um, if the candle, goes below this level. Okay, our trade is getting back on track. So when I say close partial, if you have multiple positions open, just close some. Okay. So let's say you have maybe like two positions open, close one and leave one. Or you can as well close all of your position if you are okay with the profit. All right, guys, let's close partial. So for me, I had five positions open. I closed three, and I'm left with two right now. So the scope of this is even if the trade later goes against you, you still have um, a small balance. So if we lose two trade and we make three, that means we still have one, right? So that's the scope. Okay. All right. So the market is moving again. So I'm gonna close my remaining position when the market gets to this point, right? Okay, we took first take profit from here. So we need the market to go above this level for our second take profit. Wow, that's a nice move, guys. That's a beautiful move. Okay, let's close the rest of our open position. Okay, so I just closed the remaining positions I had. All right, so we made profit from BTC USDT. Yeah. Okay, so let's go check our XAU USD analysis. Let's see if anything is happening there. So you see XAU USD is still ranging around the box I drew the last time. So the market is still inside the box. Okay. But one thing is for sure here, whichever direction the market, you know, breaks out first, that is the direction the market is going to keep heading to. Okay, that's the direction the market is going to keep heading towards. But the percentage of the market going down is higher than the percentage of the market moving up. Okay, because from the 15 minutes time frame, as you can see, the market made a retest around this level. Okay, so we had a zone around here, and the market made a retest on it. But after the retest, the market has failed to move as it should. So that is why I have this box here. If the market goes above the box, then I'll be looking for a buy opportunity. Okay. But if the market closes below this box, that is when I would, consider, uh, selling this market. Okay. So XAUSD is not giving us the opportunity. Okay, let's make analysis on another instrument. All right, we made profit from BTC USDT, and we are currently on Ethereum USDT. Ethereum USDT. So I've said this before. Anytime BTC is, moving, whichever direction the market is, heading, the other crypto instrument also seems to be heading the same direction. Okay, so on BTC USDT, the market was making a bullish move. Okay, remember we bought, yeah, and we made profit. So the market was making a bullish move, and right now on Ethereum USDT, as you can see, the market broke above this level. Okay, the market broke above the level, and now we have something that looks like a retest. Though we still need the market to, finish. We still need the candle to finish printing, so we get the proper confirmation. But on the lower time frame, as you can see, the market, seems to have finished its retest on the lower time frame, and now is ready to continue making the move to the upside. Okay, but it's important you get your confirmation from the higher time frame. That is, if your higher time frame and your lower time frame seems to be doing the same thing. Okay, right? So on the 1 hour time frame, we have the same other block. Okay, we have the same resistance turn support. So on the lower time frame, we have many candles. Okay, and these candles are suggesting that the market would continue to go bullish. Yeah, how do I know this? Because you see, on the 1 hour time frame is a retest. Okay, it's a retest, but we still have about 19 minutes to the end of the 1 hour candle. Okay, to finish printing. So we need the candle to finish printing, so uh, we know if this candle is a confirmation for the bullish continuation. Okay, so as I was saying earlier, you can see, as you can see, we still have about 18 minutes to the end of this current candle. So which means we can't trade it until we get the proper confirmation. So we have many rejection on the lower time frame. Um, you see, this is how the liquidity providers are able to trap traders. Okay, uh, because most traders will see this rejection on the lower time frame, and then they just jump into conclusion that the market is going bullish. Okay, without waiting for the proper confirmation. Okay, so we don't have all day. Right, so we don't have all day to spend on Ethereum USDT. Uh, let's just go to the next instrument. Okay. Okay, so on the BNB USDT, that's Binance coin against the United States data. So we have a pattern. Okay, we have a pattern. Guys, if you want to learn about pattern, fund your account. Okay, fund your account with at least $200. That way you get to have a one-on-one session with me. Okay, a private session where I'll be able to teach you everything that you need to know um, in forex markets. Okay, about forex trading. Okay, so we have a pattern here, and the pattern is suggesting that the market would continue to go bullish. Okay, so let's see if we can get a bullish confirmation. Let's see if we can go long on this instrument. Okay, so this is the 15 minutes time frame. So this is where I'm looking out for as my POI, okay, my point of interest. So I want the market to come down to this level before I can consider buying. Okay, I want the market to come down to this level before I can consider a buying opportunity. So this is the 15 minutes time frame. Okay. All right. All right. There's okay. Okay. So the crypto instruments doesn't seem to have more opportunity after the profit we made from the BTC USDT. Okay. So guys, you see, initially this is the we are back to XAUSD gold, and initially we're actually waiting for a bearish move, which is a down movement, okay, a downtrend movement. But you see, this is why it's important you wait for proper confirmations before you make decisions. Yeah. So right now the market broke above, went above the level. Okay, the market went above the level. You see? All right. So we have another level here. We have another level here. And the market is approaching the level right now. So let's see what happens when the market gets to this point, okay? This particular area. Now let me give that another color so it doesn't affect the ones we had earlier, okay? Okay. Okay, so the market is approaching, it's approaching the level right now. All right, so we have few more minutes to the end of our session. Hopefully we get the chance to take this trade. So if the opportunity comes before the end of our session, we just have our take profit and our stop loss on. Okay. Okay. So two more pips to our entry point. Two more pips to our entry point. So I hope this triggers before the end of our session. Okay. See, forex trading requires a lot of patience, yeah? So I need this market to get to this point. All right. So if it doesn't get here, we are not taking the sale because this is where we have our order block. So we need the market to get to that point before, that is going to give us the confidence that the market would actually trade to the downside. Okay. And as you can see, the market just triggered. The market just triggered. So what we want here now is, I want the market to reject. Okay, I want it to reject this zone. So after the rejection, we take our sell entry. All right. Okay. All right. Let's go to a lower time frame so we can get an early entry. Okay. Let's go to a lower time frame so we can get an early entry. Okay. All right. Let's sell XAUUSD. So for this trade, we are going to have our take profit and stop loss on. Okay, we're going to have them on the trade because we have just little more minutes, just few more minutes to the end of our session. Okay, so I'm just going to type out the take profit and the stop loss for this trade. All right, so the market is currently moving in our favor and we are making money, guys. You see, this is why you should join my premium group. Okay, so imagine if we could be doing, if we can be doing this here, imagine what we will do in the premium group. Just imagine what is happening in the premium group, guys. Okay, so this is the take profit and the stop loss for this trade, XAUUSD. Okay, we are currently selling this instrument. So enter the stop loss and the take profit. Okay, enter the take profit and the stop loss. Right, so the market is still moving to our favor, and I hope everyone has entered their take profit and their stop loss. All right. So once you start making good profit, please do not wait until the market hit TP. Okay. So let's say you took the trade with 0.01 lot size and you are making a profit of $1. Please make sure to close your trade. All right. It's better that way. Okay. All right. Nice moves on XAU USD. Okay, guys. So it's already 11 a.m. And as I've said earlier, our session is scheduled for just an hour. Okay. So we've come to the end of our session for today. Join me again tomorrow. Let's do this again. Okay. So if you don't have a real account, please go and fund your account. All right. And if you fund on this live stream, if you fund using the banner where deposit with benefit is written on, if you click on that banner, it will take you to where you can fund your account. Okay. So if you fund up to $10, $10 will get you into my premium group for 2 weeks. That's 14 days. Okay. If you fund up to $15, $15 will get you into my premium group for 1 month. That's 30 days. And if you fund up to $200, with $200 you get to have a one-on-one session with me. Okay. Aside the other benefit I've listed out. That's getting signal, market report, market analysis. Okay, you'll be in my premium group for 30 days, and then you also have a one-on-one session with me. Okay, a live private session. All right. So let's just end it here, right? Right. So we'll continue this again tomorrow.